this role as Director of Schools in the last 18 months, of course, as a brand new director, I took a step back. And as a part of my entry plan, really had us to start listening, planning, acting, and developing the plans around what's going to be next for us as a school district. We brought as many human resources professionals together around town and asked them, what are you needing? What are you seeing out of our over 2,000 seniors that are coming out that want to go directly into the workforce? What needs to improve?
The Tennessee Promise has provided great opportunities for high school students that have wanted to come to college but just didn't have the funding available for them. It's providing workforce for the local businesses and industries, both through the technical colleges and the community colleges. And in my opinion, it's really highlighted the need for increased technical skills in the trades areas. We've worked with local industries, the existing industries, as well as new ones coming into the area. We've done long-term training, 3 years for some multi-craft maintenance technicians that they send their employees after hours for the training. Then we've also done some short-term training, Excel, business etiquette, leadership modules. If they're needing an apprenticeship program set up, we've done long-term programs with that as well.
So it was important for us to not only honor the work and investment that they've made into our community, but to also give our students a bridge. And that bridge is an opportunity to be that much further ahead in terms of opportunities. So we're excited about the partnership with Austin Peay to have a shared approach in terms of the professors and teachers that are working in that program, and then in turn ensure that we have kids that walk out that have a language that will give them an upper hand.
The intent behind programs like the Rolling Study Hall and other outreach and engagement opportunities with schools and education institutions in the area is to create equivalency of access and opportunity for students, help educate the public about tools, services, and build a level of technical competency to set them up for future opportunities, and giving them a chance to start building a skill set that enables them to pursue high-tech careers.
We've moved forward with a workforce distinction diploma. And this diploma says to an employer that I have done everything necessary to ensure that I am ready to be a valued member of your staff.
The Early Technical College provides an opportunity for high school students to come and begin their higher education while completing their high school diploma. They get a jump start on the career of their choice. They're set for their careers at an early age.
The Fort Campbell Strong Workforce Partnership is an awesome opportunity for this region. The project is a $7.8 million grant that was funded from the United States Department of Labor. It's a joint effort between Tennessee and Kentucky. There's over 300 soldiers that exit Fort Campbell each month. And our job is to capture those individuals, make sure that they have the skills that they need ready when they transition out of the gates of Fort Campbell into the civilian sector.
Rolling Study Hall, students spend a significant amount of time to and from school each day on the school bus. By opening up internet access on those buses and by making devices available to students to use in the mornings and afternoons each day, we make that time a lot more productive. We give them access to learning resources and the ability to be on a more equal footing with other students in the school that do have that access at home.
But we have a brand new program, our language immersion program, and these are kindergarten students that will be immersed in a different language for 100% of their day. And this, in my opinion, especially with a growing diverse community, will give students an opportunity to have that upper hand again. We feel like that they're going to walk into a workforce, walk into a community, and be even more valued in terms of the needs that are out there.
A Campbell Strong Workforce Partnership coin can be redeemed for up to $5,000 of workforce services, can be utilized by the soldiers to provide on-the-job training opportunities. They may need uniforms, they may need dress clothes. Whatever it is, this coin can be used to redeem services to get them right into the workplace. But it also assists the employers fill their workforce needs. Employers can redeem this coin for up to $5,000 worth of on-the-job training services. First 320 hours that this soldier's on the job, we're going to pay for 50% of his wages and work with those spouses to help connect them to the civilian labor market too.
The LIFT program is in conjunction with the Fort Campbell Career Skills program that provides 14 weeks of introductory training to the transitioning soldiers that are looking for CNC machining careers and an introduction to industrial technical maintenance careers. The apprenticeship program in mechatronics that we did for one of the local companies, it ended up being a full-blown program here. So they set up the apprenticeship, they designed it the way they wanted, and then we went forward and got it established as a program. And Clarksville and Dixon are the only two TCATs that have a mechatronics program.
Outreach programs like what we've done recently with Kenwood Middle School are intended to inspire interest from students that may not have been considering technical careers prior to that engagement. In particular, reaching out to groups that are underrepresented in technology fields and saying, this is the kind of thing you can do. This is what we do in the data center. We work with technologies like Linux, like computer hardware, like networking, and then we spend a day running through activities with the students and send them home with hardware at the end of the day. That's planting a seed. That's giving them exposure and saying, this is a thing you can do. It can inspire even just a handful of students through one of those programs. It's absolutely worthwhile investment.